trying to start an after-school club here all about gardening with kids at Kinnaman that are interested.
Well, we're learning how to plant flowers and spread mulch and stuff.
You can learn a lot about science in the classroom, and you can read stories about plants and animals and environments and habitats, but when you actually get outside and are in the habitat or in the environment that you're learning about, then it becomes real. The grant that is paying for all of this from the Oregon Department of Education is called the Farm to Childhood Nutrition Program, to bring local agriculture to kids in school.
Right now we're planting little beds and mixing in the mulch with the soil to grow more plants in our community.
The problem is most of the things that you would put in the garden are ready to harvest like at the end of summer or in the middle of summer when kids aren't in school. So the hydroponic garden, you can start the grow cycle any time of year. You can start it in November and harvest in February. So they can have them in the classroom, low maintenance, and see the whole plant life cycle happening right before their eyes.
When they're actually hands-on doing the activity and doing the action themselves, it really connects with them and they feel like they're learning a lot more when they're doing stuff like that.
It's important to know how to take care of plants and your surroundings.
Ideally, they'll become kind of like the leaders of the school when it comes to gardening or when it comes to knowledge about plants. I'm hoping that that will also inspire other students to want to learn a little bit more about the natural world too.